Hey there, eco-conscious friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the best sustainable products for your home. Today, we're tackling a hot topic, Blueland versus Grove. Which eco-friendly cleaner should you buy in 2025? If you're tired of harsh chemicals and wasteful packaging, this comparison is for you. Let's dive right in. First up, Blueland. This brand is all about simplicity and sustainability. Their cleaners come as dissolvable tablets that you mix with water in reusable bottles. What I love is how easy it is. No more lugging heavy jugs around. Blueland scores big on environmental impact with zero plastic waste and plant-based ingredients. But, is it perfect? Some users say it's not as tough on stubborn stains like grease or grime compared to traditional cleaners. On the price front, a starter kit runs about $20 to $30, and refills are super affordable at around $10 for a set. Now, let's talk Grove. Grove Company offers a wide range of cleaners through a convenient subscription service, making it easy to keep your supplies stocked. Their products are also eco-friendly, with biodegradable formulas and recyclable packaging. One standout feature is the variety, from all-purpose sprays to specialized options for bathrooms or kitchens. Plus, Grove often includes educational resources on green living. However, it might cost you more in the long run, with subscriptions starting at $15 minus $25 per month, and some folks complain about the scents being a bit overpowering. So, how do they stack up? When it comes to convenience, Blueland wins for its compact design and ease of use, perfect for small spaces or travel. Grove edges out on product diversity and that subscription model, which is great if you want everything delivered. Both are champions for the planet, but Blueland generally comes out cheaper per use. In 2025, I'd recommend Blueland if you're just starting your eco journey and want something straightforward. If you need a full arsenal of cleaners, go with Grove. Ultimately, the choice depends on your lifestyle. Whichever you pick, you're making a positive impact. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your go-to cleaner? Thanks for watching. See you next time.